Welcome to your final Monday mortgage market update of 2024. I can't believe it's almost 2025. Okay, let's set the stage. In September of 22, mortgage rates hit 7% for the first time in more than 2 decades. It had been over 20 years since we'd been at that number. So many of us feel like 7% is a high number. After we had a brief drop down near 6%, we climbed to 8% before finishing last year of 2023. We finished it right around 7%, kind of about where we started. What about this year? In the spring of this year, we saw a spike to the mid 7s, followed by a brief drop just under 6% late summer or fall. So we went like this, and then we trended back up, and we've been right around 7% again since then. So we finished 2024 about where we finished 2023, which is about where we finished 2022. What's going to happen in 2025? Well, we'll just have to wait and see. Last week in particular, no new surprises. There really wasn't much data, as obviously these 2 weeks of the year are extremely slow for data since we're dealing with the Christmas holiday and this year particularly midweek, and then the New Year's holiday also midweek. So what are we going to see this week? Well, we get pending sales numbers on Monday. We get the Case-Shiller home price index on Tuesday, both kind of non-factors in moving things. The markets are closed on Wednesday because New Year's Day. Thursday, we'll get our weekly new initial jobless claims numbers that we get every week and try to see what's happening in the employment market. And then on Friday, the ISM manufacturing numbers, which are important, but still probably not going to move the needle. So mortgage rates this week will probably move more based on stock traders early in the week trying to finalize their positioning for where they want to start their portfolios in 2025. Any movement today and tomorrow will just be a guess. And then later in the week, as we get into the new year, also who knows where it's going to go. We start this week with a 30-year rate at 7.11%, a 15-year rate at 6.47%, and the FHA 30-year rate at 6.45%. Remember, those rates are according to Mortgage News Daily. They are not Weber Mortgage rates. You may be able to get lower rates or higher rates depending on your particular situation. And if you'd like to find out, all you got to do is pick up the phone and give me a call. I want to be the first to tell you Happy New Year. At Weber Mortgage, we're always excited this time of year because we get to evaluate how we did on our goals for this year, look at next year, and set our goals for 2025. If you're a goal setter, I hope you've already done that exercise. If you're not a goal setter, I would challenge you in the next 2 days. Set your goals for 2025, whether they're personal goals or physical goals or spiritual goals or family goals or work goals, whatever they are. I would encourage you to take some time and evaluate last year, and then set some goals for this year and track your progress to seeing those, because that's how we really make things happen, is by setting goals and evaluating how we're doing on that process. If you need any help with that, or you just like to have a conversation about it, I would love to give you a hand. All you got to do is pick up the phone and give me a call. Happy 2025 from Weber Mortgage, where we're a family in the business of helping families.